The phone.
The phone? Oh. Hello? Who is this? No. I don't speak in that language.
A clue. A clue.
What? Sorry, I'm gonna be right. I'm gonna be right with you. Man. I'm just trying to figure out who.
No, it's a clue.
Oh, a clue. You see a clue. Oh, I see a clue too. It's this sound. What sound is this? Huh. Okay. Well, you know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. So, this sound. Okay, so we will just draw lines for this sound. There, that sound. Alright, so this sound, our third blues clue. Third blues clue. We have all three clues to figure out what Magenta could wear at the Halloween party. We're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair, yeah. Oh, right here. Okay, so now that we're in the thinking chair, let's think. Alright. Okay. So, we're trying to figure out what Magenta could wear at the Halloween party. Our three blues clues are whiskers, these prints, and this sound. Maybe it's an animal. Maybe it's an animal that has these whiskers. Yeah. And maybe it has prints too. Look at it. It's like, oh. Then we're going to put our third clue. Maybe it's an animal that has whiskers, made those prints, and has this sound. What kind of animal could Magenta wear at the costume party? What kind of costume could Magenta wear at the costume party with the whiskers, these prints, and this sound? What? Wait. With all these things together, what can Magenta be?
A cat.
A cat. Yes, a cat. Because cats make this sound. Meow. They make little prints, and they have whiskers. So Magenta could be a cat at the big costume party. The big Halloween party with everyone. We just figured out Blue's Clues. We sat down, figured out what Blue's Clues were all about. Wow, you know what? We're really smart. Come on, let's actually go tell Magenta what she can wear. To the costume party.